Hey guys, my name is Din Ginto from dinonlinepitch.com and you're watching one of my review videos for the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called Luna. Stay tuned. Now in today's video, I'll be making a review and walkthrough of how the Luna works. Now as a reminder, this new product launch will go live on November 20th at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you'll be able to get access to Luna when this goes live. Now I'm here inside of the members area of Luna. Now to put this briefly, if you want to make money from YouTube, you better get Luna because this program is going to teach you how you can optimize your YouTube channel the right way and add some boost so you can have a lot of views on your videos and your subscribers is going to go up from this methods of Luna. And also this program is going to improve your click-through rate so you can rank your video on top of the search results. Now this product is put together with my friends Kaleem and Justin. They have succeeded making money online using the YouTube, and they're able to make money with these methods of inside Luna. So I personally know them, and also they do a lot of review videos from Warrior Plus products, and they were able to make money with these methods. So that's why they come up with this amazing program and all these methods that Justin is going to be walking you through, which I'm going to show it to you later. He's going to spill all the secrets that he knows how to make money using YouTube. Now I want to talk about the benefits of Luna. Now you're going to be learning the secret hacks of how to make money with your YouTube channel. Justin here is going to be sharing with you some secret techniques, tricks that he learned, how he make money online using YouTube, and how he's gonna be explaining to you inside the course on how you can add engagements, how you can improve your SEO, how you can get more views to your video, and also he will be providing a software for backlinks inside of Luna, which is going to help you rank your videos in YouTube. There is also a case study for this methods that this is going to show you that this actually works over here. So personally, I use the same methods that he have shared inside of Luna, and I guarantee you that this works. If it works for me, then it's gonna work for you pretty much. And so I have made some sales once you set up and once you set up your YouTube and optimize it the right way. That's just the secret to making money online, is you want to make sure that you're gonna be learning all this stuff here inside of the course of these products. As you can see here, pretty much all you gotta do is, let me do a walkthrough of Luna over here. So this is a welcome video, and this is Justin Chase, and he's gonna be welcoming you inside of this course. You can go ahead and subscribe to his channel, or you can find him on Facebook, or do both. This is Kaleem. You can also subscribe to his YouTube channel, find him on Facebook, and don't forget to watch their live training call over here. So it's gonna ensure a smooth construction with Luna or anything else. You can pretty much contact them Facebook, just direct message them, and he is always good with getting back to you, because I've talked to him a couple of times and he's quick with the response with any questions that you have. So he's a good friend as well. So these are my good friends here, and also that's for the welcome video. And Justin here is going to be explaining to you briefly about the YouTube algorithm in 2021. So you're gonna have to get Luna in order for you to learn why the algorithm has changed to in YouTube, but that's pretty much what I'm gonna spill to you. Now over here is the importance of the keyword tags search over here. Justin's gonna be showing you how you can do keywords and tags research in this video, and right over here as well. So it's like a 2-video training for it, very important. And also Kaleem's 100% SEO score, he will be sharing you how you can do that pretty quick inside of this training. Here's the vidIQ, very important to you to get. This is gonna help you. As you can see here, I'm not gonna hit play because then it's like I'm pretty much giving away inside what's inside of the course. But vidIQ is gonna help you identify and gauge your channel to see how your stats are, how is your videos, how's the stats of your videos pretty much, and your channel. So as you can see here, this sneak peek over here is gonna pretty much show you information about your videos, so you're gonna use that to help improve your YouTube channel. Here's also YouTube Buddy as well. So vidIQ, I have both personally, so it's gonna help you with your YouTube channel. Once you have both of this program here, it's a extension, it's a Chrome extension that you can download, so make sure you get both of this. But then you're gonna have to get this product in order for you to fully understand how this works, so that you can follow along the training inside of Luna. Here is the click-through rate. So over here, Justin again is going to be explaining to you how the click-through rate works and the title, and he's also gonna be explaining to you how important it is to optimize your thumbnails. It may be a thumbnail for everyone out there, but really important, you need to make sure that you create awesome thumbnails, and at the same time there is an importance of how you save it. I'm gonna leave it at that. And then also over here is the audience retention and video quality. Justin here is going to be explaining to you to get maximum retention for your YouTube channel. Here is the rocket launch. This is how you embed video and social media over here. With Justin's going to be explaining to you how to do that. Here's how you can build your email list over here in this module. And screen here, he's also going to show you how you can do that. And cards as well. So these are all important important setup for you to set up for your YouTube. If you want to make money using your YouTube channel, these are the important steps that you need to learn how to do it inside of Luna. So here is the software backlinks over here. Oops, I haven't pressed that one here. So access to software here. So this is for backlinks. For anyone who doesn't know what backlinks are, backlinks are pretty much hyperlinks that link from one page or site to another. So they're very important with SEO. If any one of you are familiar with SEO, so pretty much SEO is going to help you rank your content. Could be your video, especially in YouTube, because YouTube has a lot of organic traffic, and so I recommend YouTube if you want to start with the online business. I started with YouTube and I get massive results. It's because I learned how to optimize and all this stuff over here that is been shown with this program, and I was getting results 100% organic traffic. I don't have to buy paid ads, but as long as you know how to set up your SEO correctly, then you're gonna get the right audience using this methods over here inside of Luna. So that's that for backlinks. Here's launch jacking. So here are a lot of information for you to learn about launch jacking here. So as you can see here are stuff for you to learn, and also case study down here that you can check out. And here's the engagement boosters over here, another video about SEO clerks, and this is use Sirion. Just wanted to show you what this is all about. And then we're almost there. As you can see here, there's a lot to go through to this module, so it's a very valuable course. And here is TikTok. I get best results in TikTok, so I'm gonna have to agree with Justin. So but just wanted to show you that. So that's like another a secret technique of Luna, and also case studies from real users over here. So as you can see here, these are all the case studies that has been proven to you that this program works 100% over here. All right, here are the upgrades available. I'm gonna be leaving all the information of the upgrades down below in the description of my video. You can go ahead and check it out, but I'm gonna be showing it to you after I'm done with the walkthrough, and bonuses from the vendors. And also I didn't click that one correctly. Okay, so here's the vendor bonuses, and also I'm gonna be offering you my free bonuses as well, as my way of saying thanks so much for taking the time to watch my review video. So this is what Luna is all about. As you can see here, you are getting a lot of this a good quality wealth of knowledge about YouTube. So if you want to make money using YouTube, you know, highly recommend getting this product, because of the YouTube algorithm. 2021 has been changed. All the information that's been provided inside of Luna has been up to date. It's not like couple years ago kind of methods that is created over here. This is actually brand new system that is gonna help you make money online with YouTube channel. Okay, so now I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. Now if you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up Luna, this is going to go live on November 20th. That's when you'll be able to click on any of these yellow buttons here. That's going to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. Then right down here is where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now you need to pick up before the countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page here, because when my countdown timer runs out, then all of my bonuses will disappear, and that's obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on. Now over here, to claim your bonuses here, they are 100% free of charge and instantly will deliver to you. And all you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in the description that comes through to my bonus page here. Just scroll down and click on any of these yellow buttons here. That's going to go through to the sales page. That's where you can go ahead and pick this up. And if you have any questions about my bonuses, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page. Send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now these bonuses, by the way, are actually, they are free, that I'm going to be offering to you onto my bonus page. You can go ahead and click the link down below. They are actually free bonuses that you can check out down below in the description of this video. Also, I want to talk about the upgrade for this purchase for those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs, so you can get more access to the upgrades to help meet your needs for your online business. I highly suggest consider checking out all the upgrades of Luna if you want to increase your chances of earning more money. Right over here, I'm going to be providing you all the information of the upgrades into my bonus page. Go ahead and click the link down below and just scroll down here, and pretty much I have included all the descriptions of each upgrades of Luna. So as you can see here, it's going to give you like that extra boost for this product. So as you can see here, it's going to help you increase more money if you decide to learn more on how you can leverage and increase your income using this upgrades here. So over here, there's more information that you can feel free and check out the upgrades. Highly suggest that you should check out the upgrades, because it's going to benefit for your business and it's going to benefit for your knowledge. Pretty much once you learn everything how this works, you'll be able to be you're going to be confident with how everything works, and you're going to start banking once you decide to choose the upgrades of Luna. All right, so make sure you check this out down below in the description of my video, and feel free to check out the upgrades of Luna. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my Luna review. Now I hope you enjoy my review video. Make sure that you click the link below to purchase Luna at a discounted price. And also don't forget to pick up my free bonuses that you can check out down below in the description of this video. Now I'll see you guys on to my next video, and thanks again for watching my review video. Now make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on to my next video.